Hey guys, this tutorial here is how to change the language on your around view monitor on your Nissan Note e-Power. If you have a Nissan Note e-Power, you will know it comes in Japanese. We can change that. We can change that to English. We can change that to a bunch of different languages, and we're going to show you how. Now, if you haven't already, please go watch the intro to this video series. It's a guide on how to install DDT for All and what you need to set everything up and get the job done. If you have watched that video, we can go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is plug the OBD into your computer, then plug this into your car whilst the car is off. There we go. And once that's plugged in, we can go ahead and start the car up. I like to start the car up fully, so engine running and the whole lot. All right, once that's plugged in, car's running, we can open up DDT for All, and we can see the OBD there. We can select that. We have to hit I am aware that I can harm my car if badly used. Hit that, and we can hit connected mode. It will take a moment. Once that comes up, we can make that bigger. Now what we need to do is select the car that we're going to be modifying. So you would think that we'd be selecting a Nissan Note, but we're actually selecting a, where is it? Navara Alaskan. That's the one we're selecting. Now from there, here's what you need to do. AVM, the drop down, double click this. It will then pop down here. Double click that. Then from here, go up to the top. We have manual request. Double click that. I'll come with a warning here. Use this feature at your own risk. Okay. We want to change the top part to after sales, and then scroll down to data read $07 warning language change. Hit enter. These are all the languages that are available. It defaults to Portuguese, but it would be in Japanese at the moment. Select English or whatever language you want, and then hit execute. Down here we'll flicker a bunch of stuff as well. As long as it doesn't come up with any errors, then it's fine. If we trigger the reverse camera, it's now in English. You may notice that the little icon for the parking sensors is now not there, but that's a simple fix. If you just hold the camera button down, it will just disable the sensors anyway, and you can re-enable them by holding it again, and the beeping still works and everything still functions as usual. Simple as that. So close this out safely, just close that, close the program, turn the car off, and then unplug the OBD. And don't forget, we still have a lot of options that are available to us to modify. We can enable one-touch indicators, we can disable the reverse beep, and we can enable follow me home lights. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.